Oh, what is this? Seems to be a courier. Domestic Priority Critical Express. Blue Dart. What's there in this? Okay, let me check. I need something. Can you give me a cutter? Yeah. Okay. Let me check what is it. Okay, that's the box. What's that? UN 3481. Some explosive or bombs? What is that? Anyway, doesn't matter. Let me open more. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. These small stuff. Huh? Oh, that's an iPhone. Guys, that's an iPhone. Look at that. Oh my God. That's an iPhone? Huh? I got an iPhone? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, let's open. Ding, 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 ding. iPhone 16 Pro Max. Guys, iPhone 16 Pro Max is still not launched. It's only iPhone 15 Pro Max. What? iPhone 15 Pro Max? See, look at that. Look at that. So I'm going to open it now. So here we go. Zig, 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 zig. Okay. Oh, one more. Ting, 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 ting. Khulja Sim Sim. And there we go. Lot of vibrations happening. Something is still remaining. Okay. Oh, it's really tough. Okay. Now you got something. Ta-da! Here we go. That's the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Wow. I'm going to unbox this for you now. Let's keep it here. Okay. We don't need this anymore. This is iPhone 11 Pro. Goes here, and let's take this strip out. It goes like this. Look at it. So clean and crisp and clear with titanium. Okay. So guys, I'm very excited. This is what I've got it. I booked it 3 weeks back when it was launched, and today I'm getting my iPhone 15 Pro Max 256 GB. So I'm going to enjoy this phone. What about you?